Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Ranger starter won't turn issue and the likely reasons behind it. A starter that will not turn in the Ford Ranger is commonly described as the engine not cranking when the key is turned or the start button is pressed, a single-click sound with no engine movement, or complete silence during start attempts. Reviewed starting system and electrical documentation indicates that this condition can occur across multiple Ford Ranger model years, depending on starting system design, electrical architecture, mileage, and maintenance history. This issue does not affect all vehicles, and applicability varies by model year and configuration. One verified cause involves battery condition and power delivery. The starter motor requires sufficient battery voltage and current. A weak battery, discharged battery, or poor battery terminal connection can prevent the starter from engaging. Another confirmed cause relates to starter motor or starter solenoid operation. Internal wear, solenoid contact failure, or mechanical binding within the starter assembly can stop the motor from turning the engine. Ignition switch or start control circuit behavior is also a documented factor. Faults in the ignition switch, start relay, or related wiring can interrupt the signal required to activate the starter. Safety interlock system operation is an additional verified consideration. Components such as the neutral safety switch, clutch safety switch in manual models, or transmission range sensor in automatic models must confirm safe starting conditions. If these inputs are not detected correctly, the starter may not engage. Electrical grounding and wiring integrity are another confirmed aspect. Loose grounds, corroded cables, or damaged wiring between the battery, starter, and engine can restrict current flow and prevent cranking. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, starting system design, transmission type, or prior electrical repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General solutions referenced in professional service guidance include testing battery voltage and load capacity, inspecting battery terminals and ground connections, checking starter motor and solenoid operation, verifying start relay and ignition switch function, and confirming proper operation of safety interlock components. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and starting system configuration. In conclusion, a Ford Ranger starter that will not turn is most often associated with battery or power delivery issues, starter motor or solenoid failure, ignition or start circuit interruptions, safety interlock system behavior, or grounding and wiring concerns. The exact cause can vary by vehicle generation and configuration, making proper inspection essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.